All right, a lot of sunshine across the county this morning. A few high clouds out there, but boy, they're not blocking any of the sunshine as we look towards Del Mar, downtown, El Cajon, and La Presa. It is 75 degrees downtown right now, the same in Vista, and Ramona 74. 50s up and down our mountains, unless you're in Warner Springs. We're at 62 degrees, and in fact, it's warmer downtown than it is in Borrego Springs in the deserts right now. Temperatures warmer in the South Bay by about 9 to 11 degrees, and we are in that Santa Ana pattern, so high pressure sitting over the west that's fueling in the warmer air, and then the circulation around this system is also bringing those offshore winds or Santa Ana winds. Not very strong. This is by no means a strong event. It was windier yesterday, calmer today, and it doesn't last very long as this storm is going to be moving into California, bringing a lot of rain and snow to the north of us. But the biggest thing we're going to notice here is about a 5 to 15 degree drop in temperatures from today to tomorrow and Friday. Tomorrow we are going to see that marine layer try and make a comeback, so areas of fog, maybe a little mist, a few sprinkles here or there is going to be possible tomorrow morning. It really should impact your drive as far as the rain goes, but maybe that fog. So of course, if fog is an issue, I'll let you know starting at 4:30 tomorrow morning. We'll be in the 60s Thursday and Friday at the coast, also for our inland neighborhoods, but we don't even stay cool for long. We're in the 70s by Saturday and into the 80s by Sunday and Monday. So a quick drop in temperatures and a quick warm up right afterwards. We will see those Santa Ana conditions return again to our foothills and our mountains in particular, so it will be dry and breezy late Saturday into Sunday.